The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator features a progressive style that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The sleek preview glass door allows you to see inside the fridge without letting any cold air out. And the fingerprint-resistant finish is easy to clean, keeping your refrigerator looking beautiful. Airtight crispers lock in moisture, so fruit and veggies stay fresher longer. And dual evaporators cool the refrigerator and freezer separately to maintain ideal temperatures and humidity. Plus, the roomy interior features flexible storage options to maximize space while keeping your groceries organized and easy to find. The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator. Kenmore, be amazing!
What does love mean to you? Love means cooking fresh food for my daughter. We get groceries once a week. PrimeFresh keeps it fresh for 7 days.
I'm drawing the train that we saw in the zoo yesterday.
Yeah, we can make food like this. With -3 degrees soft freezing technology, food stays nutritious without losing flavors. My child can enjoy 7 days of nutritious food. As soft freezing makes food partially frozen, it makes food easy to cut, easy to peel, easy to scoop, easy flavor penetration. We can easily prepare freshly cooked meals fast for 7 days. Creating fresh moments every day with every handcrafted dish. Panasonic.
Access fresh fruits and vegetables quickly and easily thanks to well-designed, clear, soft-close crisper drawers. so your fresh favorites are always at your fingertips. Get easier access to all your refrigerator favorites, including hard-to-store taller items, like bottles of wine. With an innovative door-in-door design and convenient rotating bin, you'll have all your top choices at your fingertips. Save time with intelligent water dispensing thanks to hands-free autofill. Simply press the autofill button on your integrated dispenser, and the innovative sensors will fill your glass or bottle with the perfect amount of filtered, great-tasting water, so you can do more with your day. Get ready for more organization and storage flexibility in your refrigerator, thanks to a temperature-controlled drawer with a removable bin caddy divider that's perfect for storing everything from party platters to everyday necessities, so you can always access what you need. Experience even better visibility in your refrigerator thanks to an LED light wall that illuminates your entire refrigerator with crisp white light, making it easier than ever to find what you need when you need it.
A fridge with a brightly lit interior and silver exterior closes. Text, InstaView door-in-door with craft ice. Dual ice maker with craft ice creates standard ice cubes, crushed ice, and LG's exclusive round craft ice, crafted to melt slower, chill more effectively, and help beverages taste their best for longer. Craft ice in freezer bin. Text: tall ice and water dispenser with measured fill. The water and ice dispenser is one of the tallest around, measuring in at an ultra-accommodating 12.6 inches. Fridge temperature is 37 degrees Fahrenheit. 8-ounce, 16-ounce, and 32-ounce water jugs fit beneath the dispenser. A person presses the 16-ounce button to dispense water into a bowl. The doors of an empty refrigerator/freezer close. Text: Slim Space Plus Ice System. Slim Space Plus Ice System provides the most shelf space and allows even more space for door bins. The interior shelves now hold a variety of foods and beverages. Text: InstaView Door and Door. InstaView Door and Door refrigerators have a sleek glass panel that allows you to see inside without letting cold air out. Simply knock twice on the glass to illuminate the contents. A person gently knocks twice on the panel to illuminate the fridge, then opens the door to take out an item. Text: Print-proof finish. Print-proof fingerprint and smudge-resistant finish easily wipes clean with a soft, dry cloth for a distinctive kitchen that handles real life and style. A hand leaves no smudges on the fridge with print-proof finish. Text: Conventional compressor, 4 friction points and less efficient mechanism. Inverter compressor, 1 friction point. Inverter linear compressor uses fewer moving parts and operates more efficiently. LG confidently backs the motor with a 10-year limited warranty. Less temperature fluctuation. Reacts quickly to maintain temperatures within 1 degree Fahrenheit of the setting to keep produce fresher up to 2 times longer and help keep food fresh. Text: Fresh air filter. 3-layer fresh air filter with forced air circulation and dedicated fan helps to deodorize air, pulling cleaner, fresher air into the fridge. In an animation, fresh air circulates around food on shelves. A fan pulls fresh air into the fridge and removes unfresh air. Text: LG ThinQ. Smart ThinQ. LG ThinQ technology. Control key refrigerator features from anywhere at any time with LG ThinQ technology. With ThinQ app on Android or iOS devices, receive notifications on your smartphone when the door is open or your water filter needs to be replaced. Control refrigerator and freezer temperatures remotely. A woman gets a notification the refrigerator is open, and closes it. Text: Door Cooling Plus. Door Cooling Plus delivers blasts of cool air that reach all areas of the refrigerator to keep produce fresh up to 2 times longer. In an animation, cool air circulates over food in a closed refrigerator. Blue highlights represent cool air. Air blasts from the Door Cooling Plus vent and circulates along the shelves. Text: Cool Guard. Cool Guard metal interior panel wall helps maintain cold air while adding a premium look. The silver Cool Guard metal panel and shelf edges gleam in the light. The spacious fridge interior shines with both doors open. Text: LG, Life's Good.